How to get rid of ants fast naturally. Oranges. Create a paste of 1 cup warm water along with a couple of orange peels. Spread this paste around entry how of ants and wipe it later on. Lemon. Rub some fresh lemon juice on door thresholds, windowsills along with other possible places that ants are becoming in. An alternative choice would be to place a couple of drops of lemon oil on cotton balls and then leave them in cabinets along with other quantity when needed. Scatter small slices of lemon peel around outside entrances. Cucumber peel. Peel a cucumber. Place bits of the peel in most places that you've seen ant activity. Replace all of them with fresh peels daily. Repeat when needed before the ants have left. Red pepper cayenne. Sprinkle red pepper cayenne powder in places that you see ants. You may also combine equal levels of red pepper cayenne and turmeric powder and sprinkle it over the access suggests make an uncomfortable barrier for ants.